The Graduate Management Admission Test, or the GMAT, is evolving with a new version called the GMAT Focus Edition. So, what is the GMAT Focus Edition and how is it different? The GMAT Focus Edition is an updated version of the GMAT exam launching in the second half of 2023. Registration begins August 29 and testing starts in the fourth quarter. The GMAT Focus Edition consists of 3 sections: quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and a new section called Data Insights. The quantitative reasoning section assesses your understanding of arithmetic and algebraic concepts and your problem-solving skills. There are 21 problem-solving questions in this section, and the use of calculators is not allowed. The verbal reasoning section measures your ability to comprehend written material, evaluate arguments, and reason logically. It includes reading comprehension and critical reasoning questions, but no longer includes sentence correction questions. The Data Insights section is a new addition. It uses integrated reasoning and data sufficiency question types to measure digital and data literacy. You'll find questions on data sufficiency, multi-source reasoning, table analysis, graphics interpretation, and 2-part analysis here. An on-screen calculator is permitted in this section. So, what's different? The overall test time has been reduced by nearly an hour compared to the previous version. You'll spend around 2 hours and 15 minutes answering questions that count towards your overall score. Plus, the GMAT Focus Edition allows you to choose the order of the sections so that you can customize the test to your strengths. A new feature in the GMAT Focus Edition is the ability to bookmark questions and change answers within a section, giving you more control and flexibility during the test. For example, if you're unsure about an answer in the quantitative reasoning section, you can bookmark the question, move on to the next, and return to the bookmark questions later within that section to review or change your answer. Data Insights is now as equally important as quantitative and verbal reasoning in calculating your overall score. In terms of scoring, the GMAT Focus Edition has a different scoring scale. Each section has a range from 60 to 90. Not all these scores are attainable. Through GMAT Magic, they convert these 3 section scores into an overall score ranging from 205 to 805. Scores are not comparable between GMAT and GMAT Focus Edition. For example, a 760 in the GMAT is not equal to 765 in the GMAT Focus Edition, but instead is comparable to 725. The Enhanced Score Report, previously an additional purchase, is now included for free with every GMAT Focus Edition official score report. This upgraded report provides detailed timing and correctness data for each question, giving you greater insights into your performance. It can help you understand your strengths and weaknesses, offering a comprehensive review that can guide your preparation for any future retests. One of the most substantial improvements in the GMAT Focus Edition is the ability to see your score before deciding to send it to schools. Unlike the current GMAT, where you send your scores before seeing them, with the GMAT Focus Edition, you have the power to make an informed decision. Moreover, with the GMAT Focus Edition, the schools will only see the score you have selected, ensuring that you put your best foot forward. In contrast, with the current GMAT, schools see all your previous scores. Navigating the new GMAT Focus Edition might seem challenging, but with Apex Focus Tutoring, you're not alone. Our expert tutors are well-versed in all the changes and are here to guide you every step of the way. We are dedicated to providing personalized, results-driven tutoring that focuses on your unique learning style and goals. We exclusively offer one-on-one private GMAT tutoring with experienced instructors who help clients achieve 700+ scores through personalized tutoring. With Apex Focus Tutoring, you'll gain a competitive edge, learning strategies, and skills that go beyond the test, preparing you for the rigors of business school and your career beyond. So, are you ready to take on this new challenge and make your mark? With Apex Focus Tutoring, success is just around the corner. Book a complimentary consultation today to get started on your journey to business school success. Apex Focus Tutoring. Personalized like no other.